One of these creators is real. The other was generated entirely by AI. Can you tell which one is fake? Brands spend thousands of dollars hiring UGC creators every month. But what if you could create unlimited UGC ads without hiring anyone? AI videos usually have one problem. They look painfully AI generated. But this tool is trying to solve exactly that by incorporating more realistic elements and natural movements, reducing the overly plastic appearance that characterizes many AI creations. Now, let's address some key challenges in the content creation process. Hiring creators can be expensive. Finding the right talent takes time, revisions can be slow, and scaling ad creative can be difficult. Different platforms require different formats, and if you're running a TikTok ad, managing an e-commerce store, or promoting an app, you might need dozens of ad creatives each month. Relying on real creators for every video can get costly. This is where AI creators come in. They have the potential to quickly and effectively replace original UGC creation. Wait, what does UGC mean? UGC means user-generated content, which is essentially pictures, videos, or written reviews created for brands by normal people. Typically what happens is that brands will send you one of their products for 100% free, and you get paid for making content on that product for social media. If you're interested in learning more about what I'm discussing, click the link in my description to visit the website. With this tool, you can easily create characters for your videos, use the talking video feature for spokesperson content, generate UGC-style ads, and utilize motion syncing for animations. Additionally, if you need multiple versions of your content, we offer various templates to help. For those looking to produce at scale, the tool supports batch content creation and batch generation. Also, new users receive 30 free credits upon registration. Now let's get to the main question we've all been wondering. Can this AI platform create an ad good enough for TikTok, or could it even replace real UGC creators? We're about to find out, so make sure to watch this video until the end to see what I discover about this tool. Alright guys, this is the home screen of UGCvideoAI, and I'm going to be showcasing how quickly you can generate UGC-style marketing videos with it. Over here in the sidebar, you have the UGC character, UGC AI video, UGC image, and UGC video sections, and they all serve different purposes. You can also use the built-in templates for talking videos and motion sync, and I'm going to show you how they work. Over here, you can create your AI characters, talking videos, motion sync videos, and ready-to-use ad templates. So first of all, we're going to create our character. When we click here, we're taken to this interface where we can create a new character or influencer. You can choose to start from an image, an existing character, your own character, an influencer, or one of the pre-made templates this tool already provides. I'm going to be using one of my pictures here as a reference image. I've already added one of my pictures, but this tool lets me add up to 4 reference images, so I'm going to add more now. As you can see, I've uploaded 4 images of myself from different angles and added a short background story. Scroll down to choose the model you want to use. There are 3 powerful models packed into this tool: Nano Banana Pro, GPT Image 2, and Nano Banana 2, all available in one place. I'm going to use GPT Image 2 for this example. Remember, once you sign up, you receive 30 free credits, and creating your AI character only costs 10 credits. It has now started generating, and it's done. You can see how nice and crisp the result looks. It used all 4 of my reference images to create something that looks much more realistic. Now I can click over here and use it to create UGC images, UGC videos, talking videos, motion sync videos, and UGC ad videos. First, I'm going to create a UGC image. Over here, you can choose the character you want to use and also upload a reference image of the product you want your avatar to interact with. For this example, I'm going to upload one of the packages I received from a brand. I have now added the product image I want to use. Over here, I'm going to type in my prompt for her to be holding the camera. Instead of writing she, I can simply refer to the avatar so the system understands exactly which character I'm talking about. After adding my prompt, I can generate the image. If you notice the top bar, there are also scenarios available, which are basically built-in prompts. I can choose from their pre-made scenario prompts, and as you can see, there is even a scenario for a travel vlog. I'm going to generate it now, and it only costs 1 credit. You can see that this tool is not very expensive, and you can create a lot with a small number of credits, whereas other platforms often charge much more for similar results. Now it has finished generating, and I generated another variation as well. You can see that she is holding the camera. Brands would literally pay creators to make content like this, but now you can do it yourself with AI without hiring anyone, while still using your own face. As you can see, I prompted it to hold the camera, and it did an excellent job while keeping everything very realistic. The image was generated in 1K resolution, and you can even increase the resolution or create more variations. There is a lot you can do with this tool. I created even more variations, and it worked very well with the prompts I provided. The images are very crisp, and they maintained my face without changing anything. Now I'm going to use these images to create AI videos and turn them into UGC videos. You can also choose the video model you want to use. It has built-in support for Kling 3, Seedance 2, and Seedance 2 Fast, which is very impressive. After adding my prompt, I'm going to click Generate. It has now finished generating, and as you can see, both videos look very crisp and realistic. They were made with AI, but they don't look AI generated at all. This tool is really impressive. Now I'm going to move over to UGC Ad Video. Over here, you're going to add the product you want to use. I'm creating my first UGC ad video after adding my prompt, my influencer, my product, and my voiceover. I also selected a 16:9 aspect ratio with 2x batch generation, and it's generating now. Alright guys, the UGC videos have finished generating, so let's watch them. Wait, are you still using your phone for client shoots? It's time to level up. Just look at this professional mirrorless beast. The lens on this is just insane. Crystal clear glass, crazy autofocus. It literally sees better than I do in the dark. If you want that creamy, blurry background and razor-sharp details, this is your secret weapon. Seriously, my content has never looked this good. Go grab yours right now. You can see that they came out really well, and I genuinely like the results. Moving on, I'm now going to try out Motion Sync. Head back to the home page and select Motion Sync. Motion Sync allows you to transfer the movements and gestures from one video onto another still image. I'm going to try out some of the community influencers available here, and you can refresh the page to see more options. I'm going to use this man for the demonstration. After selecting him, you can describe exactly how you want the person to behave. You can make them appear confident, nodding, waving, or performing almost any gesture you want. This is also where you write your motion prompt to describe the gestures and body language you want the character to perform. I've now generated the motion sync video, and I'm going to play it.
Efficiency is really about leveraging the right tools at the right time. It allows us to focus on what truly matters for growth.
You can see how good that looks. This tool is really impressive. It comes with realistic sounds, built-in templates, and a large community library that you can explore. This is AI content creation designed specifically for UGC creators, but it doesn't look AI generated at all. It looks incredibly realistic and helps reduce production costs by replacing traditional UGC creators with AI avatars and AI influencers. In many cases, it looks so real that you start questioning whether these are actual people. That is exactly the goal of UGCvideoAI. It includes built-in templates, ready-made characters, and plenty of tools to help you start creating immediately. As you can see, I created my own character, and it is now saved here in my library. There are still many more features to explore, including product unboxing and app showcase templates, with even more features coming soon. I highly encourage you to try this tool while it is still very accessible. As I mentioned earlier, new users receive 30 free credits upon registration, and after completing your first generation task, you receive an additional 30 credits. This is honestly amazing, guys. Give it a try and thank me later. Check the description below for the link to the tool, and don't forget to subscribe.